I'm going to create a simple bushcraft logo in Adobe Illustrator with the help of Generative AI and the newly released feature, which is called Object on Path. Start by drawing a square. I will use the Generative Shape Fill to create the background trees. The prompt is densely populated woods. Hit the Generate button and wait. Select one of the options. Create a new layer. Select the Ellipse tool and draw a circle. Apply a stroke color. After selecting the Direct Selection tool, delete the bottom anchor point of the circle. Let's create a new layer, and I'm just going to copy this half circle and paste it on the newly created layer. Go back to second layer and select Type on a Path tool and click on the half circle. Adjust the stroke weight and font type. Center the text by dragging the handles. Enlarge the space between the letters. Apply a different fill and stroke color for the text. Now move on to the third layer. Draw a small rectangle and click on Generate Vectors. My prompt will be Bushcraft Axe. Duplicate the axe by copy and paste. Now we're going to use the Object on Path tool. Having the axis selected, I'll click on the Object on Path tool and then click on the half circle. Axes are now linked to the path, and I will be able to move, rotate, and manipulate the axes however I want along this path. If you want to add more axes, simply go back and add more axes and repeat the process.